every one of us is in this fight. And so I want you to know, I'm not going to back down for a second. 4 months into this administration. I only say that not to depress you, but to make sure that we are girding ourselves for the fight ahead. I can tell you, as we've seen what happens when we do have a control in the legislature, we live our values. We get rid of track laws. We get rid of an old law that's been on the books since 1930. We do the work together. And that's why I think Michigan is in a stronger position than other places. But we are all going to have to navigate the tough stuff coming out of DC for a while. But I know this. We stay in this fight. We stay organized. We invite others to join us. We tell our stories and empower one another to do that if you feel safe and able to do that. Because that is how we ultimately pull more people into this moment.